Hi friends, welcome to my channel. I'm Leslie and today we have a Tjmaxx and a Home Goods haul. Alright, so let's start with Tjmaxx. I haven't been shopping in a month. I needed a little fix. Let's see what we got. That's the wrong bag. Remember I left my coat in Washington and they were like, oh yes, the cleaning crew will find it and, you know, let you know, da-da-da-da. That didn't happen. My sister gave me a $50 gift card to a Tjmaxx, Home Goods, Marshalls. So for $69.99, I bought a Calvin Klein, and it is, well, it's made in Vietnam, and it is 100% polyester on the shell. The exterior is 100% it's just polyester through and through. Great. So I don't know how really warm I'm going to be, but I thought it was pretty. It doesn't really have the double-breasted, but it's a single-breasted. And it has pockets, but I have to cut them open, and I have to lose a little bit of weight, but whatever. It's fine. So here I try to be professional here. Okay? So there it is. And I've got to cut the pockets open, but I feel like it's a better fit. I look a little bit more curvy in this one. The sleeves are a little bit long, which is fine. Yeah, but I think it'll be fine for the winter time. I really need to get these pockets open because I must have pockets. I just have to cut that. And I don't know if there's one in the back that needs to be cut. I think it's just one piece in the back. But that's it. What do you think? All of the coats at Tjmaxx were on clearance except for that one. Whatever. It's fine. Okay. Then I said, well, you know, when I was working out in the summertime, I got so many shorts and, you know, biker shorts and things like that. I don't have anything long to work out in. So for $16, I got two pair, a pink pair and a black pair. These are made by Yogalicious, and they're large. Hopefully they'll be falling off of me before too long. But they are just pants. Do they have a pocket? Pockets are pretty essential. They do not have pockets. It's probably why they were on clearance, because nobody wants pants without pockets. Does it at least have that little weird coin pocket? It has. Oh Lord, they're fleece lined. They're fleece lined. I didn't even notice that. And that's fine. I'll just sweat harder and burn more fat. Okay, great. Thanks. So we got that. And then I was like, oh, well, I have to have a long sleeve shirt to go with it. So for $8, I bought a long sleeve shirt to go with it. I'm going to be sweating real hard. All right, so total there was $99.63. I had a $50 gift card, so I paid $49.63 for all of that. Let's move on to home goods. I was supposed to use my gift card here, but I was like, I don't know if this is worth it. I'll just pay for it because I might find a big... I got this for my teacher friend Jenna. It's by My Mind's Eye, and it was on clearance for $1. And it's a little felt banner that she can wave, and it says, first day of school. She can put it on her door. She can greet her kids by waving it. Whatever. Whatever. She needed it. I got these because they were on clearance for $2. And they are 6 treat boxes with tags, and they have a strawberry theme, which you can use anytime through the year. I could use these for, I mean, look at the hearts around it. Yeah, you can use that for Valentine's Day, summertime, whenever. So I got those for $2, 6 boxes, can't beat it. Great for Happy Mail. Let me know if you'd like some Happy Mail. All right, then I saw these and I was like, oh my goodness, these match my theme in my bedroom, which is the fern theme. And I'm really in need of new towels. These were on clearance for $8. And they have that fern leaf print on them. They're nice and large. I mean, come on. Oops, I hit my plant. It's like a blankie. So I got 2 of those for $16, which I thought, you know, a little expensive, but it's so large. It's just humongous. It's a bath, I think it's called one of those bath sheets or whatever they call them. Those. Oh, it's made in Turkey. We like that. That's pretty cool. So I got 2 of those. Let's just fold the other one. Let's just fold them up. I don't know why we're going to fold them. We're going to cut the tags off, wash them, and put them up in my bathroom. Everything's fine. Tell me if you know what that sound is. Oops, I did it again. But I had to. It's really made for Valentine's Day. But I do a strawberry theme in the summertime. This has strawberries and raspberries. I'm pretty sure I needed that. Okay, because it's got strawberries and the berries all the way around it. So we're going to start using it in February, but we're going to bring it back out in August. Or let's see. July, August time, yeah. July and August. I had to think about my decorating months. Anyway, so I got that. I thought that was really pretty. Then, I love clearance. Do you love clearance? I love clearance. Especially if it's good clearance. The right kind of clearance. I got these for my puppy. They are crunchy chicken and carrots recipe for $1. Just some treats for him. Got a lot of stuff for pets on clearance. I don't know if anybody's been hitting their Tjmaxx, Home Goods, Marshalls, all of that. I've been in there looking for Christmas clearance that maybe could be used as Valentine's Day, because that red, you can use it in Valentine's Day, Christmas, or July 4th. These were $1, and they are Barking Good Beef Recipe, Treat, Topper, and Mixer. We don't know. It was $1. We got it. Best by 3/31/2026, which they'll be gone by then. And best by March 14th, 2026. I got him these for only $6.99. I got really excited about this because he loves these, and they're so expensive if you get them in the long form. But these are smaller, which is a great size for him. I paid $7 for them, but it was worth it because, you know, even at the pet store, I'm paying $11, $12 for only a few of the long ones. Real excited about those. Hope they keep those coming because I'll buy them every time. Perfect size for my pup. I saw this. This stuff's been sitting so long I forgot about it, and I'm glad that I didn't buy what I saw at Michael's. I got this for $3 on clearance. It was for Christmas time. Pretty sure I saw someone haul it somewhere on YouTube, and I gotta go have that. So it's just a box of beads for jewelry making, and you get, you know, Heishi beads, regular beads, letter beads, gold beads, polymer, or not polymer, but the rubber silicone beads. And these have a smaller opening on them, so I'm not sure that they're going to work on like pokey tools or pins, but I could make cute dangles, keychains, whatever, for $2. Okay? Okay. And then for $1, my last thing that I got, I thought I'd try these. They were broken, but we don't care. My baby loves some cheese, so we got him this. And it's just Happy Teeth dog chew with cheese for dogs of all sizes, dog treat, chew density, dental. We don't know. And these are good until they didn't put it on there, so we do not know. Is it stamped anywhere in there, like indented and imprinted? Interesting. Well, these will be the first thing that he will get because we want to make sure that they are safe. Okay. And that is it for the Tjmaxx Home Goods haul. My Home Goods total was $42.37. That, my friends, is an awesome deal. Alright guys, thanks so much for joining me for this video. If you liked it, hype it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on that bell notification, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.